You've finally found the beautiful Movado vintage watch you've always wanted. However, upon arrival, it shows its age. The crystal is cracked, the case is scratched, and it's not ticking anymore. Now, it's time to restore it to its former glory. But how do you do it? Where do you even start? Well, in today's video, right after this short intro, I'm going to take you through the process of restoring your vintage Movado exactly the way you want it. Before starting, decide whether you want to maintain the watch's original value or restore it to look and tick like new. If you aim to maintain the value, you'll need to find a repair shop willing to hunt for replacement parts. Fortunately, vintage parts are often available, but keeping the value might mean retaining some broken parts, especially the outer ones. Prioritize functionality. Replace critical parts like a cracked crystal. If resale value isn't a concern, you can opt for a full restoration, which may involve replacing many parts inside and out. It's a good idea to keep the original parts for potential future resale. Pinpoint the problem areas, like the case. Scratches are common in vintage watches. You can leave them as is to maintain value, or polish them gently to restore the shine without altering the watch's original look. Or the dial. As the face of the watch, the dial is significant for resale value. Avoid replacing it unless it affects the watch's movement. Consider restoration options that preserve its integrity. Keep the original hands to maintain value, as they can greatly affect the watch's appearance. Cleaning them can improve their look without replacement. A faded bezel is often desirable as it adds character. Replace it only if it's broken in a way that compromises functionality. Metal straps can be cleaned and buffed to look like new. Leather straps, however, show wear over time and can be replaced without losing value. Try to keep the original buckle if possible. Replacing parts inside the movement usually won't affect value, but ensure it's thoroughly cleaned and serviced. Whether you choose to preserve its value, opt for a full overhaul, or do a bit of both, make sure to find a trusted watch repair shop to ensure your Movado remains exquisitely unique.